2006 Ford Mustang, a unique specialty in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles, just a little over 94,000 on this one. 4-liter V6 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Take a look at the front fascia, grille, headlights. Windvale blue, popular color in this particular body style. There's a few real small, just kind of little rock chips like you'd expect in a car this age with a few miles on it. But you can see paint is nice and shiny. It's good luster to it. And remember, this vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726 is the number you can call into. UniqueClassicCars.com, where you can see the still pictures of this vehicle, undersides, interior, engine bay. Take a look down the passenger side. Free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches as it appears. One little right back here, if you can see that. Interior would be light graphite, basically gray. Bucket seats, cloth. Center console with a shifter on the floor. Shaker 500 stereo system. Keyless entry. Fobs in the car with the key. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Coming around to the rear of the car. Notice the wing. Iconic taillight. And a 3 on each side. Of course, this went kind of back to the retro body style in 05. Looking a little more like they did back in the 60s and 1970. Take a look down the driver's side here. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a little small touch-up or a small chip here or there. But again, overall paint does show well on this one. Nice shine to it. Let's take a look at the interior. Door panels. In the still pictures, you'll be able to check out the door tag. That will be in the still pictures. A little bit of wear on the bolster here. Power seat, driver's side. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. And we'll check the exact miles here too. All right, exact miles. Stop here. There's your exact miles. What, 94838? No warning lights, service soon, service engine, anything like that. No indicators. AC blows cold. We can confirm that. Dash looks good. And there's that Shaker 500 system. That is working fine. Wow, that AC really blows cold. Headliner's in good shape. You'll be able to check out the rear seats and the still pictures. Doesn't really sound like any modification's been done to this. What you'd expect out of a 4-liter in 2006. Let's go ahead. I'm going to pop the hood. Let's get the hood open, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner, clean. You can tell this car hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Extremely clean underneath the hood. Same for the engine bay. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Did mention AC was cold. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 2006 Ford Mustang Coupe. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Check out all the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2006 Ford Mustang. Very different looking in a good way with this blue paint color that it has. And we've got a light gray interior. Let's see how she does. Very good acceleration. This is an automatic on the center console. Our fuel gauge is reading almost empty. Temperature is right in the middle. Battery is a little right of center, and so is the oil pressure. So all our numbers look good. Radio works good. We got the AC going right now. That also works really good. Smooth ride, as you'd expect from a modern Mustang. Nice and perfectly straight if you let go of the steering wheel. Brakes work very good. This interior is in very good condition. I actually like the light gray it has going on. Got a little traffic in the circle here. And we'll accelerate one more time. Handles good in the corners, no leaning. Very good performing 2006 Mustang. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.